The probability that everyone went vegetarian is almost zero. But what if? How would that affect our planet? None of our group are vegetarians, and the worldwide rate of vegetarians is very low. In Europe, it is about 30 million people, which is approximately 4% of the population. In India, it is slightly over 30% of the population. However, interest in this diet has been growing. Let us assume that there are about 20 billion chickens, 1.5 billion cows, over a billion sheep, and nearly a billion pigs in the world. Without people supporting the meat market, these animals would simply disappear. If we transfer this data to kilometers, almost 33 million square kilometers are used for pastures and areas for animals. This is an area about the size of Africa. Furthermore, we must take into account the land used to grow plants, which are used for food for animals. We can say that thanks to these areas, the number of places for growing plant food has also increased, but most of these soils are becoming very dry, and without any human intervention, it would become a desert. Properly managed, these areas could turn in forests and meadows, which could also help global warming. After all, felling trees for the soil on which crops are planted is one of the main reasons why the level of carbon dioxide in the air is rising. Cows and other livestock also affect our climate through methane production, which has 25% more impact on global warming than carbon dioxide. The combination of these numbers means that livestock is responsible for about 15% of the world's greenhouse gases, which is more than all the planes, trains, and cars combined. This is why many scientists believe that reducing livestock is the best strategy against global warming. A vegetarian diet would also reduce water consumption. Up to 70% of fresh water is used in agriculture. Up to 15,000 liters of water are needed to produce a kilogram of beef, around 6,000 liters for the production of a kilogram of pork, and around 4,000 liters to produce a kilogram of chicken meat. Compared to plants, it is 1,600 liters for cereal crops, 900 liters for fruit, and 300 liters for vegetables. We will probably never know what would happen if a meat consumption slowed down radically. However, in small steps we can change our eating habits and lend a hand to help our planet.